Spray, wipe, buff. Untouched, the right side with the Koenig. Just kidding, this is not an infomercial or commercial or anything of the above. It's pretty cool where I'm at in my YouTube career where I get sent cool things to test out, although as an adult, cleaning has become the definition of cool. And normally I would just take this and I would spray it all over the M3 and see exactly how it holds up, how it works, and give you guys a review. But in this case, I'm not gonna start there because that would be kind of crazy. What if this eats away all my paint and it's all gone? It is time to do a quick little review on the Koenig spray polish. This stuff, it says it works on everything: glass, acrylic, painted surfaces, porcelain, smooth plastics, polished stone, all of it. So it says it cleans everything. I've seen it around the internet, and I've seen it on Amazon all over the place. And they were so kind enough to at least give me a code, LJsGarage, for those of you guys who want to try this out to give it a shot. So thanks, Koenig. That's, I believe, the pronunciation because it is German, but it might be Koenig. Depends on who you ask. Either way, we're going to test this on a few things, and then we'll eventually see if I trust it enough to try it on the M3, maybe the motorcycle, probably the Jeep. So although this channel is automotive, and really I don't do anything inside the house, unless you guys want to see house projects, I mean, I do some of that stuff too, but as you can tell from my garage, I have a lot of unfinished projects. But we're going to start and test this on all different surfaces. So here we go, heading back inside to try out the Koenig spray and see what this is all about. It cleans, shines, restores, and protects. I like it so far. Good packaging, good colors, all that. I mean, that's what reviews are. I'm not good at this review stuff, so let's go. So here you have my stainless steel fridge. It's seen better days as far as polishing goes. And then I've got two cloths they sent me. So the white one I did use a little bit already. Directions, super easy. Spray, wipe, buff. So you can use a regular terry cloth. There's nothing really fancy about that, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Just spray, and it says it does the cleaning for you, so I'm not even gonna clean this any more than it already is. Leave all the grubby fingerprints on there. So I didn't check to see if they sell these cloths on their website, but this is Kirkland brand. So I'm a big Costco fan. I'm happy to hear Kirkland's doing their thing. But let's get to it. We'll start with this little section. It says to hold 6 to 12 inches away. 6 inches away. That's like this far, right? Says work in small areas. Give that a spray. And then we'll just give it a wipe. Go with circles. So this patch is done. It'll leave a little haze, it says. So then we'll take the clean cloth, go back behind that in circles. Pretty solid. Of course I'm going to touch it with my fingerprint. Oh. Alright, let me do this whole thing. Not bad, not bad. Alright, here's the top half done. And there you go. Comparison again down to the bottom. Before, after. It smells pretty decent, but I'm not rating this on smell, I don't think. But overall, pretty good start so far on stainless steel. So now we're outside. I'm gonna try this on the motorcycle. So same thing as before. Just gonna give this a little spray. Let's do this side. Spray, 6 inches away. Then I'm just going to give this a quick little wipe down. Rub that in a little bit, rub it in, rub it in. And this motorcycle hasn't been cleaned since probably the fall. So I'm giving it a little wipe down. Giving it a little wipe down there. Let's bring in the cleaner cloth. And we'll just give this a little wipe. The one thing I will say is I like that it doesn't leave any sort of like residue. It's not like wax. It just glows on easy, wipes off easy. And you guys can kind of see right there the difference. And I'll try to move this. Oh God. Oh shh. But here you can see it a little bit better. Left side is what I just did. So pretty solid results. And I'm sure if I were to actually give this bike a spray down, because this is, I consider this mild dirty, but it could be worse than that because it's been several months. So good results. So I'm going to try it out on this rubber piece right here, this Ram Mounts rubber grip. Let's see if we can shine that up a little bit. All right, guys, look at that. That's actually pretty good. And that was pretty dirty. So, wow. So now I've got this material right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Put a little divider line right there so you guys can see the before and after. All right, so this is the after. There's before, just some dust and dirt. And then you can see a little bit of the shine got on this black part right there. But look at it. It works great on the plastics. Bring them back to life, gives them a nice little shine. I mean, those are good results right there. So you guys can see on all the different materials, especially on that ram mount. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. How I do my reviews, they may be a little unorthodox and a little strange. You're wondering, why is there a trash can on my table? Well, this is rubber, and I'm gonna see what it does. And now you can see this trash can looks a little bit better. It's not like overly glossy, but it does restore some of the shine. This has a little bit of discoloration. I don't know from what. It's not like this trash can's lived a hard life, but I'd say overall pretty solid. I'd try this on the interior right about now, which I might. You guys probably won't see me much on this, but I'm gonna try it on this glass and see how it works out. It says it works on glass and acrylic. Give it a little spray. Okay, okay. Glass holds up. So here's the top part. You can see a little bit of a reflection there. Come down here, the reflection disappears a little bit. So it does work on glass. I'd give it my vote. The only thing left to try is porcelain. And the only thing porcelain in my home is my toilet. So let's do that next. If you guys were waiting for the toilet scene, something is wrong with you. But anyways, thank you so much for checking out yet another video. And special thanks to Koenig for sending me this can to try out, along with a couple new towels for the garage. I mean, overall, I have a whole arsenal of cleaning products, so I never ever need just a true all-in-one. But I could see this being handy for someone who, for example, is just starting their car cleaning process, or needs something that they can use in their everyday daily versus their sports car that they use only on the weekends. This isn't something that I need, but I know that a lot of people do just like to have one thing that they can use that does it all. So it's kind of a cool little wax thing. It's a little bit of a cleaner, it's a restorer, it does it all, and it seems pretty solid. So like I said, if you have an arsenal of cleaning products, you probably don't need this, but if you are someone that just wants to have one thing that you can use in the house, outside, and it's got a little bit of a wax component to it, so you can kind of spray it on the cars, give it a quick little wipe down, get that nice shine, then go for it. Use it by all means. So if you got any questions, comments, concerns, and any feedback on my review, let me know. Let me know if you hate me, let me know if you love me. But otherwise, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.